I hope you can forgive me now, boss.
You are a fucking legend. Pooh, you'll have to run the streets for a few days. I've got to go find Bendy Wendy in Ibiza. Huh? Bendy Wendy, where the fuck are you?
So you're my top spender, Mickey. Glad we finally managed to link up, love, but we'll have to make sure Bobby doesn't catch wind of it.
Don't you fucking worry, Bob will never find out. What happens in Ibiza stays in Ibiza. Fuck me, Bendy Wendy looks way hotter on OnlyFans. I will have to down this whole bottle before I can tap that.
This was bloody brilliant, Mickey. You drilled me so good.
This shit better not end up on OnlyFans or Bob's gonna lose it, you hear me, Bendy? Righto, listen up, you sick cunts. No way we're letting this bloke get away with it. We're in a war now.